Welcome to iCVC Early Learning. Today we will be learning sight words dealing with Easter. So let's hop to it. Bunny. B-U-N-N-Y. The bunny is hopping in the grass. Egg. E-G-G. I found a blue egg under the tree. Candy. C-A-N-D-Y. She got lots of candy in her basket. Hop. H-O-P. Watch the rabbit hop down the path. See. S-E-E. I see a big Easter basket. Find. F-I-N-D. Can you find the pink egg? Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. I picked up a yellow egg. Basket. B-A-S-K-E-T. My basket is full of eggs. Look. L-O-O-K. Look over there. The bunny is hiding. Come. C-O-M-E. Come help me find more eggs. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. The little chick is so cute. Big. B-I-G. I found a big chocolate bunny. Like. L-I-K-E. I like Easter candy best. Go. G-O. Let's go on an egg hunt. Here. H-E-R-E. Here is a purple egg for you. All these letters work together to make your sight words. Today we hopped into a wonderful magical adventure of Easter sight words. I hope you enjoyed this and stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe.
Thanks for learning.